Click on the link below to get price. The VEVOR Walk-in Tunnel Greenhouse offers an impressive solution for gardening enthusiasts looking to extend their growing season. With dimensions of 27.4x9.5x7.4 feet, this spacious hoop house provides ample space for a variety of plants, from vegetables to flowers. The greenhouse is designed to create an optimal growing environment, shielding plants from unpredictable weather while allowing for adequate sunlight. One of the standout features of the VEVOR greenhouse is its sturdy construction. Made with a heavy-duty steel frame, the structure is robust and resistant to strong winds and heavy rain. The frame is coated with a rust-resistant finish, ensuring longevity and durability over time. The cover is made from high-quality polyethylene, which is UV-resistant and thick enough to provide insulation while still allowing light to penetrate. This combination of materials results in a durable product that can withstand the elements. Setting up the greenhouse is relatively straightforward, thanks to the included instructions and necessary hardware. Most users can have it assembled in a few hours. The design features multiple ventilation options, including roll-up sides and a zippered door, which help regulate temperature and humidity, ensuring optimal growing conditions. However, some users have reported that the cover may require additional securing to maintain stability during extreme weather. It's advisable to anchor the greenhouse properly, especially in areas prone to high winds. The VEVOR Walk-in Tunnel Greenhouse is an excellent investment for gardeners looking to cultivate plants year-round. Its generous size, durable materials, and effective ventilation make it a valuable asset for anyone serious about gardening. While it has minor drawbacks, such as securing the cover during storms, the benefits far outweigh the negatives. Overall, this greenhouse is a fantastic option for both novice and experienced gardeners eager to enhance their growing capabilities.